Once the world was torn apart by war, nations fell, and with them, the systems that sustained us. But here, on a small tropical island, a new way of life began to bloom. While cities crumbled and supplies ran out, this community turned to nature. They embraced permaculture, a design philosophy rooted in the patterns of the natural world.
We have the tools we need to survive right here. Nature provides. We must create systems that give back, not just take. That's the path forward.
But how do we begin? The soil's exhausted from years of monocrops. There's nothing left.
We start with the soil. Layer it with compost, mulch, and nutrients. We'll rebuild it one step at a time, and the land will give back to us.
Permaculture taught them to rebuild the soil, creating systems that mimicked the rainforest. Banana trees shaded the soil, while legumes fixed nitrogen back into the earth.
All right, let's adjust these bamboo pipes a bit more. We need to make sure every drop counts.
Water, once scarce, was harvested and stored. They created catchment systems, ponds and swales to slow and store rainfall, ensuring abundance even in dry seasons. The community sits around a fire, eating a feast of homegrown fruits, vegetables, and fish from the nearby sea. Children run and laugh as the elders tell stories. As their systems grew, so did their hope. They learned to live with the land rather than fight it. Every tree they planted was a step towards survival, and beyond that, a future worth living.
The war took much from us, but it also gave us a chance to rebuild, better than before. We don't just survive now, we thrive. And our children will grow up in a world where the land sustains them as long as they sustain it.
Years have passed, the camera pulls back to reveal the once struggling land now transformed into a food forest. A beautiful blend of fruit trees, ground cover, and animals grazing beneath the canopy. The community is thriving.
We are stewards of this land, and it will give us all we need. Not just for us, but for those who come after. This is our legacy.
Do you think the rest of the world will learn too?
If they listen to the land, yes.
In a world rebuilding from the ashes, the lesson of permaculture is simple. Work with nature, and it will work with you. Together, we can heal the earth, one small island at a time.